my first mail time, and I kind of have no one here anymore because everyone left. I don't know why, but oops. Yeah, well, everyone left. And I also, good news, got free chat, which is awesome. So I have free chat, and yeah, but yeah, I know I only have, okay, 9 people. Alright, well, but I got a lot of jamograms. Half of them are probably spam from these people, but that is okay. But we're going to get right into it. No Gem Rocks. Night helmet, thank you. No Gem Rocks. Studded collar, oh thank you, actually. No Gem Rocks. Stegosaurus tail. I'm decorating my den at the moment. Oops. Okay, it's one of my friends. New flower bracelet, wow, thank you. Phantom necklace, okay. Okay. Golden samurai helmet, thank you. Parka, that's cool. Thank you. Thank you, Zebra, you're giving me a lot of gifts. Rare Jala wings, thank you a lot, actually. Rare firefighter hat, thank you. Sorry if it's bad. Turquoise necklace, thank you. It's not that bad, it's okay. Gingerbread wings, thank you. Oops. Sparkle, thank you. Sparkle 29423. Sparkle 29423, thank you again. This is from Ninja779, a bandage. Wow, are you giving away a spike? No, I'm not. But I am doing a giveaway at the end of this video. I'm going to do a giveaway in my den. Explorer crate. Okay. Eagle hat. Alright. Beehive. Football helmet. Thank you. Sparkle 29423. Greenhouse window. Thank you. Raccoon tail. Thank you. I think that's in the Summer Fest. Cover your eyes. Okay. Yay! I think that's in the winter. Cover your eyes. Oh, I think it's a non-member pirate sword. No, it's just a sword. That's cool. Thank you. Cover my eyes. Feather earrings. I'm not sure where these are from. That's really cool though. I like those. Little Gem Rocks. Necklace. Thank you. Okay. Well, yeah. Alright, well, that is all that I have. I have one more gemogram. You're seriously getting this card? Okay. Okay. Yeah, so I'm giving away, they are going to be on a trade for you to see. Spike is bullish. Okay, ready? Alright, so all you need to do is jam and grab me, get away, and I will pick 2 winners. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put my 2 things on trade, so that they can see what I'm giving to them. I'm sort by items, you know. So yeah, they're getting a pink word and a diamond shop collar. This one, and then my pink word will just go to back. And here it is. Okay. So all of their voting. Remember, send me the words give away. No, the 2 items on my trade for you to see. Alright, so, has everyone entered? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna close my eyes and just like Well, I'm gonna scroll through. I'm gonna delete the ones that don't say giveaway. One. Okay, thank you. That's my sister. Giveaway. Okay. And nobody really sent me giveaway. Alright, well, I guess it's just people who say I want the one. So, you win. Alright, so Chica gets, she's one of the, oh my god, I don't even know how many it is. Okay, so we have 1 vote, 2 vote, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 5 people that entered, I guess. Okay. 6, 7. Okay. So I'm going to randomly go through here, and I'm closing my eyes. I'm going to pick someone. Okay, so, alright, well, you get the brown spike, or you get the 1. Back. 1, add, send. Chica, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, got the 1. 2, 1, the first prize. Okay, and then I'm going through these again. Oh, and I don't forget open it. Oh, I didn't hang out all these gifts, I think. Alright, and I'm going to go through, and I'm going to take those gifts as entries, as well. Okay, well, my mouse is loading. Alright, okay, well, I think a lot of people left. Where is everyone? Hold on a second. Okay, and the side. The sheet again. Hold on. And, I think Prince is, oh, he sent me lots and lots of gifts. So, thank you very much. To you. Now, you say give away, and you enter. But if you want to vote for someone, say their name. I'm not sure who this mythical speedy spirit is. I think that's Chica. Oh, but she already got the 1. Yeah, so you got the 1. And the winner of the spike color is, I'm just gonna say Ninja77299 because he didn't enter once, but I was like the process for picking the winner wasn't very good, so I think I'm just gonna pick you because you gave me like lots of gifts and was really nice. So AKA Ninja77299. And he gets the spike. Winner! Thank you. All of the amazing rares and everything. It's of you to come. And this. Okay, well, I will see you guys next time. And, this kind of, like, made it a lot harder with the giveaway now, but, you know, it's okay. But, yeah, people are getting upset because it didn't win. That's because they're kind of selfish, but, like, this crusade of Princess the Lollipop 3, yeah, her, she's getting really mad, and stuff, and so I'm going to end this video, and Prince seems really, darling Frozen winner, seems really happy. Yay! But yeah, he seems really happy to be the winner of this, and so, yeah, well, that is my first mail time. I will be hoping to do more, with presents from you guys, and gym grants from you guys, because I love, like, hearing you guys and stuff, and I really want to, like, interact with you guys on Amazon. So yeah, again, my username, pinklove26, so, buddy me. I just got a bunch of new free buddy spaces because I deleted a bunch of old buddies that don't play anymore. So I have tons of new buddy space for you guys. I have 10 free spots. So yeah, just jam a friend me saying buddy me and I will buddy you. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you.